know she will send you. I've been expecting you.
Well, I am here. I have always been the execution of years.
Nancy, when do you think this will end?
As long as people like you don't stop existing in the sisterhood, it will never end.
Nancy, do you ever think that people will get so comfortable in this devilish confraternity and refuse to leave? Nancy, come on, think about it. This is not life. Nancy, please, we need to stop this. We need to stop this life so we can enjoy the beauty of what God has created.
Shut up! Shut the hell up! Now make a damn wish. I don't have all night.
Ifeoma, are you alright?
Mama, I'm fine. Please, just go to bed. I'll see you in the morning, please.
Make your last wish now!
Nancy, please, spare my mother's life. Please, thank you.
Margaret!
Please, Nancy, please, don't kill my daughter, please.
Don't kill her.
Nancy,
She will get married in a few days time. Please don't kill her. Please.
Nancy, please, I beg you.
She doesn't deserve to die. Instead, kill me. Take my life. Spare my daughter's life, please. I beg of you, kill me.
Please, I beg you.
Kill me instead. Please don't kill my daughter.
Fine. I'll let her go because of you. Yes! I didn't ask you to get up.
So much tears and so much pain. You see, the gift of the devil is so flashy, so difficult to resist. At the beginning, it's so enticing. At the end of it, you'll be in bondage. You are gonna have a sleepless night, scary day. And your night will be full of nightmares. You are not even sure of the next moment. If you only kwensu, what this pia will listen. The gift of the devil, it comes with so much pain and worry. So where do I go now? Onye kange besala, they got the nip from look what I've done to myself. Onye kamya kosala, onye kange besala, if a mellow. You see, the gift of the devil is so flashy, so difficult to resist. At the beginning, it's so enticing. At the end of it, you'll be in pain.
Hello, Michael. Hi, this is Kate.
Yes, I know. How are you?
Oh, I'm doing good. I hope you're good too. So, where are you at the moment?
I'm at home. Resting. Well, is everything okay?
Yeah, all is well. It's just that I just want to ask. I don't know if it's possible we could just hook up tomorrow. Are you free?
Oh, unfortunately, I'm not free. I have things lined up for work tomorrow, so I can't see you tomorrow. Maybe some other time, huh?
Okay, but...
Hi. Good night. Huh? Yeah.
Oh, hello? I wasn't even done talking.
My goddess, if I stayed. Of course, I always trust you to deliver. Now let me hear the request you wanted to make earlier. It's of no importance. Never mind. Adugo, my dear. You know you're the one so dear to me. You've been with me longer than any one of them. You have every right to ask me whatever you wish without hesitation. So go ahead and tell me what it is. My goddess, it's nothing that I cannot handle myself. Okay. If you say so, you may leave then.
I think she deserves what she got. I mean, what was she thinking? That she could opt out just like that without being punished for it? Hell no. I never knew she could be such a fool.
Of course you should trust Our Lady spiritual. She doesn't joke with things like this.
Does she always bring Nancy to handle it?
Yes, sweetheart. Nancy is the sisterhood's executioner.
Really?
Yes.
Who did she succeed?
That is what I cannot say. The only thing I know is that I came into the sisterhood to meet her as the one next to the Lady Superior. And how long she has been in the picture is what I do not know.
Okay.
Me too. And I have never bothered to ask.
Wow. She must have possessed a lot of power then.
Yes, girl. And I kinda envy her. I do. Man, that girl is loaded.
Hey babes! Hi! Hey baby girl! Yeah.
Only you that babe.
I know, right? What's up, babes? Come on, we've been waiting for you. What kept you so long? I'm sorry, I ran into traffic and then you maybe come here late. So I'm sorry. Yeah, now where are we clubbing tonight? That's the spirit.
Clubbing?
Yeah.
Did you just say clubbing?
Yes,
My
clubbing.
dear, we are
of
not
course.
clubbing, so you've not heard.
If I heard, I would not ask you a question.
We lost one of us.
Who?
Ifeoma was executed last night.
Hey girls! Hey, sorry, I had to take some time to tidy up some things in the kitchen. So what a one. What's going on?
That's exactly what you get when you refuse to employ a baby. I'm sure some people don't want to share their hard-earned money with some cheap maid.
Whatever. Well, girls, Ne?
Huh?
Are you okay? I mean, that reminds me, you called me yesterday night, right? You said you wanted to say something now. What is it? What's going on?
No. It's nothing. I have this severe headache. I need to go.
Severe headache? What are you talking about? I can get you some pills.
I need to go.
I noticed her reaction when you said that Ifeoma is dead. Do they have any special relationship or something?
Yes, they do. The thing is that they have been friends way back from secondary school.
Oh, I see. They are more than friends then.
So much tears and so much pain. You see, the gift of the devil is so flashy, so difficult to resist. At the beginning it's so enticing, but at the end of it you'll be in bondage. You are gonna have a sleepless night, scary day, and your night will be full of nightmares. You are not even sure of the next moment, hey. If only you what this will see, the gift of the devil, it comes with so much pain and worries. So where do I go now? Onye kange besala no, they got in it for mero. Look what I've done to myself. Hey, onye kamya kosala no. Onye kange besala no, ife melo mano. You see, the gift of the devil is so flashy, so difficult to resist. At the beginning it's so enticing, but at the end of it you'll be in bondage. You are gonna have a sleepless night, scary day, and your night will be full of nightmares. You are not even sure of the next moment, hey. If only you what this will see, hey. The gift of the devil, it comes with so much pain and worries. So where do I go now? Onye kange besala no, they got in it for mero. Look what I've done to myself. Hey, onye kamya kosala no, onye kange besala no, ife mero. Hey, so much tears and so much pain. You see, the gift of the devil is so flashy, so difficult to resist. At the beginning it's so enticing, but at the end of it you'll be in bondage. You are gonna have a sleepless night, scary day, hey. And your night will be full of nightmares. You are not even sure of the next moment, hey. If only you what this will see, hey. The gift of the devil, it comes with so much pain and worries. So where do I go now? Onye kange besala no, they got in it for mero. Look what I've done to myself. Hey, onye kamya kosala no, onye kange besala no, ife mero. Hey, yeah. You see, the gift of the devil is so flashy, so difficult to resist. At the beginning, it's so enticing, but at the end of it, you'll be in bondage. You are gonna have a sleepless night, scary day, hey. And your night will be full of nightmares. You are not even sure of the next moment, hey.
Why are you not taking my calls now? Come on. I mean no harm. I just want to be your friend. I want to get to know you. This is totally unnecessary. Hey, Kate. Howdy.
Mama, please. Please stop crying. Take her, okay? How can I stop crying? She was my only child. She was all I had. Look at me, my children. I am a helpless widow. No husband, no child. What am I living for?
No, come on, don't talk like that. It's not the end of the world.
It is for me, it is. If Mama was the only one that I was living for. Look at me, my children, just look at me. Our wedding was supposed to be next week. She never wanted to die. She was begging the killer to spare her life. I knelt down and was begging this person to spare my daughter's life. I even asked her to take me, to kill me in the place of hers. But she was heartless. God, you are watching. God, you are watching.
Okay, just take heart. Eh? If you continue like this, you might just fall sick. You need to stop. Please.
Mama, please stop crying. But tell me, did you see the person's face?
I did not see her face. She was masked. She was masked. But what I can't tell is, why was it my daughter's life they wanted? Why? Why did she want my daughter's life? That is the only thing I cannot tell you people here. She was innocent. If Mama was not the trouble type.
Yes, Mama, you are right. She was our friend for years. She was a peace-loving person. Mama. Mama, it's okay. It's okay. Look, I want to make you a promise. Whoever that is responsible for her death will never go unpunished. We are going to use all we have to make sure that her killers end up behind bars.
Will that bring my daughter back to life? Will it? It is useless.
Mama, at least she will have peace with justice.
Whenever I see you, I think of my daughter Ifeoma. Will you be there for me? Will you?
Yes, Mama, we will.
Yes, I promise to always be there for you. I will be there for you anytime, any day. I promise you. Eh? Just be glad.
You see, the gift of the devil is so flashy, so difficult to resist. At the beginning, it's so enticing, but at the end of it, you'll be in bondage. You are gonna have a sleepless night, scary day. Hey. And your night will be full of nightmares.
What do you want?
Chineye, please, I beg of you. I've been following you all this while so I can explain myself to you. Listen, you need to hear me out first.
Shut up! Just shut your useless and bloody mouth up. You bloody liar. What do you understand? Huh? No, I'm asking you. What do you understand? Do you understand the fact that someone loses a special person? Do you understand the pain of losing an only child? Which one do you understand? Which one? I'm asking you. Oh no, I should believe that you have a conscience, right? Do you? No, of course. Your conscience has been twisted to serve the devil.
For goodness sake, Chineye, I was only carrying out instructions. I only carried out orders given to me to do.
Yes.
That's what I did.
I can see it. Yes. Carry out instructions. Keep carrying out instructions. Keep taking orders. It is fine. I want you to put yourself in that woman's shoe. Did you see how when she was lamenting? Can you feel her pain? Put your mother in her shoes, then you will know where I am coming from. Keep taking orders until the conscience in you is finished. If at all you still have any conscience left in you, you bloody twat. Shh, just shut up.
Chineye, please, listen, it's not the way you say.
Get out!
Be full of nightmares. You are now taking show of the next moment. Hey, if you lonely, you can see what this pia will listen. Hey, the gift of the devil, it comes with so much pains and worries. So where do I go now? Onye kange besala, they got in if a mirror. Look what I've done to myself. Hey, onye kamya kosala no, onye kange besala no, if a mirror. Hey, you see
yes. Has any of you noticed that Nancy has been behaving strangely lately?
And how do you mean?
She's no longer herself. She prefers to stay alone. Honestly, she's no longer the Nancy I used to know.
I think I agree with Funke. Nancy has totally changed. What could be the problem?
Yes, I wonder.
Maybe she's having emotional problems or family problems. As long as that's life is expected. I mean, baby girls, this shouldn't be any of our problems. What we should be talking about right now is, Matilda, how are you planning this party? I hope it's going to be in grand style because I have invited a special friend.
Really? So tell us about him. Who is he?
Excuse me? I never said it's a he. But guess what? You got me there.
Of course I know I got you. Okay, so tell us. Come on, just at least tell us more about him, you know.
Wow. Wow. Okay, it's fine. Well, he has been my crush for years. He's the elder brother to my friend back then in school. I have always been a secret admirer, and I think this is the right time to take what rightfully belongs to me.
Since our friend here doesn't want to say anything, I think I should say.
Do you know something?
Of course you should know I know everything.
Tell us.
Well, his name is Michael. And
I'm a boy. Did I ask you, Kate?
Tell us, please. Come on, out with it.
Why is she asking this? Okay, fine. Okay, I'm blushing. Yeah. Okay, fine. He's cute. He's tall. He's light in complexion. And guess what, Dikeh? What? He has masters in engineering. He's also a contractor and a businessman.
Wow.
This guy is everywhere.
Girl, you're lucky, man. Trust me, I can't wait to meet this Mr. Special in person.
Machida, what did you just say? Please, please. I can't thread this one for anything. If anybody near him matter, I feel by the person. I beg. I no fish share for this one as stingy. I beg.
Why your blood is hot like this? Your man is our man. Okay, calm down.
Which man?
The thing is that you should tell him to please come with his friends. Because I am tired with that guy I am dealing with. I'm tired of that soup I am licking. I need someone more sexy. I need a guy with a cis power. Wow. You know, someone that will make me scream.
Hi, Kate. How are you?
I'm fine. So how are you?
I'm okay. Really, I'm sorry I showed up late. Traffic.
Actually, we've been waiting for you.
I know.
But don't worry, you didn't miss anything.
Right.
Yeah.
Hello. Hi.
Come on.
Hello. How are you? Look at you.
Take it easy. Take it easy. Hi, girls. Say hi to Michael.
Hello. It's really good to be here.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I see you ladies are having fun already, eh?
Yeah.
Your table is littered with all sorts of spirits.
Meet my friend.
Nancy. Nancy, how are you?
I'm good.
You look awesome yourself. It's really nice to see you again.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So girls.
Nancy, I'm sorry. I'm really sorry, ladies. I'm not trying to take your friend away from you, but please, I'd like for us to just talk along briefly, if you don't mind, please. I won't take much of your time, trust me.
Please make it snappy.
Of course I will.
Who asked them? Why are you paranoid? Why can't go meet and ask them now? Do you know each other?
Hey, you haven't been taking my calls. It's good to see you. Huh?
But I'm sorry about that.
So I was beginning to wonder if I had done something, you know. Yeah, you weren't taking my calls. It just got me worried and thinking.
Good, smile.
Wow.
I mean, if I did something, you could tell me right now. I would apologize straight up.
You did nothing wrong, Michael.
Okay. So why then have you not been taking my calls? I'm sorry. Let me quickly attend to her. All right, I'll be back.
Tell you say tonight, now here we go day. So make you call your mommy, tell them you know they come back tonight. You say, see, so many champions to pop, so many is your route to drop, so many book to do shine, so many money to spend, so many shisha to smoke, so many bobby to drop, so many shayo to shine. You are not leaving because tonight, we go party tonight. Hey, I said tonight, we go party tonight. We go party tonight. Even if you be somebody, baby, I go carry you go. If your guy come, I go manage a move. If you do crack, I go balance a move. Tell me what you want, tell me what you need. Say I know the joke, just tell me where to go. Make me just the go. Hey, tonight, you see tonight, we go party tonight. Oh, we go party tonight. Hey, baby.
So sorry. Sorry.
No, I was about leaving. I wait for you outside.
I know. I'm here now. I'm sorry, please.
So my friends are waiting for me. I don't even know what I'm doing here with you.
We're talking. Come on. I'm sorry. If you leave now, I don't know when next I'll get a chance to talk with you. I beg you, in the name of God, just give me a few more minutes. Please.
So make you call your mommy, tell them you know they come back tonight. You say, see, so many champions to pop, so many is your route to drop, so many book to do shine, so many money to spend, so many shisha to smoke, so many bobby to drop, so many shayo to shine. You are not leaving because tonight, we go party tonight. Hey, I said tonight, we go party tonight. We go party tonight. Even if you be somebody, baby, I go carry you go. If your guy come, I go manage a move. If you do crack, I go balance a move. Tell me what you want, tell me what you need. Say I know the joke, just tell me where to go. Make me just the go. Hey, tonight, you see tonight, we go party tonight. Oh, we go party tonight. Hey, baby, tonight.
Listen, Nancy, I like you. I really do like you. But it's almost as if something is troubling you. I don't know what it is, but it's in your eyes. I can see it. Look, if there's a problem, I could help. I mean, I'm here. You can share with me. I'm willing to help you.
I do not have any problem. And if at all I have one, Michael, trust me, it has no solution.
No, don't say that. Listen, there is no problem in this world without a solution. Okay? And don't begin. Even if something is troubling you, don't worry about it. Worrying about it does not solve it. It just magnifies the problem. You know, it's almost as if you're sitting on a chair that just rocks you back and forth. It's busy rocking you, but it takes you nowhere. But I can help you if you just share with me. Trust me. Okay? Come on, Nancy. You can try.
I'm afraid. Scared.
What? No. Come on, don't do that to yourself. Fear is the greatest enemy of man. Like I said, it makes the smallest things so big. When you're afraid, you begin to think that the smallest of things is that big. I don't know what this problem is, but if you let me in, I am certain that I could help. Somehow. Please.
Do you know what, Michael?
Yes.
We're done with this discussion. Thank you. Forget it. You cannot help me.
Okay.
Get your hands off me.
Oh.
My friends are waiting for me. I need to go and meet them up. I mean, I don't even know what I'm doing here with you.
Nancy, hey. Calm down. Calm down. Please, no, you can't. Okay, you know what? Okay, we'll talk about this some other time. I have something in my car I'd like to give to you as a gift.
I don't want it.
I won't be gone for a minute. Please. You really love it. Please. Please.
If you do crack, I go balance some more. Tell me what you want, tell me what you need. Say I'm no the joke, just tell me where to go. Make me just the go. Hey, tonight, you see tonight, we go party tonight, oh. Hey, my baby tonight, we go party tonight, oh. Hey, my baby dance my cosa. Dance my cosa. No be a wheel on the kumba. I say my baby dance my cosa. Dance my cosa. No be a wheel on the kumba. I don't tell you say tonight. My hair we go day. Oi, so make you call your mommy, tell them you know they come back tonight. You say, so many champion to play, so many is your way to drop, so many people to shine, so many money to spend, so many shisha to smoke, so many bobby to drop, so many shayo to shine. You are not living because tonight, we go party tonight. Hey, I said tonight, we go party tonight. We go party tonight. Even if you be somebody, baby, I go carry you go. If your guy come, I go manage a move. If you do crack, I go balance a move. Tell me what you want, tell me what you need. Say I'm no the joke, just tell me where.
Yeah, but you woke me up.
Oh, sorry.
No problem. What is it?
I don't know. I'd like for us to have lunch tomorrow. Would you be available?
Very much worried about our daughter.
What about her?
Had she mentioned something about getting married or maybe presenting her fiancé to us?
That is only done by girls who want to build a family. Girls who want their parents to carry their grandchild. Not by our daughter Adugo. That is not in our agenda.
Why is she like this? Why is she doing this? We brought her up well. And I believe she wants the best for us.
That is what you think. A lot of things have changed. Maybe she's trying to punish us for something we know nothing about. Because why wouldn't she want to get married and give us grandchildren so that we can be happy? But the point is, I'm just waiting to know her intentions. Then I will pay her back in her own coin.
Nai, why are you talking like this? It has not gotten to this. I know she will change her mind. She will definitely change her mind.
See, I have said my own. Because she has no excuse why she's not married by now. No excuse.
Man, Papa, I am in support of you. I mean, my beautiful sister should have been married by now. She got all it takes. Or the beauty, the skin color, or the shape, the money, name it.
Oh, myself and my son, we're on the same page.
Papa, of course you know me. You know I don't support evil at all. And I have made it clear to her that I will never, will never visit her home again. Else she introduces her husband to be to us.
You did?
And what was her response?
She only smiled. But I meant every bit of my word. Nonsense. Papa, let me help you with this.
Who told you that I needed somebody to help me? Look at you. Where are you coming from? Where have you been all day? You've been running around with those your useless friends. When you finish running, you come home and come and eat. Look, don't give him food this night. Don't serve him food this night.
Nana, you want to use me and settle on this one? I'm on walk room. Now you people are discussing like son and father. The next minute, you are quarreling like devil and the beast. Akama Mandia, you people will not settle with me. You don't just involve me in this at all. Akama Adira, go there and Orome.
What do you mean by that? Oh, you are the person supporting him. Okay, don't worry. I will deal with the two of you.
Deal with him. He's your son. Deal with him.
Papa, don't worry. She will marry. Only useless son. Mama.
Kate, let me get this. Are you telling me that Nancy left with Michael? Your Michael?
Funke, Nancy left with Michael without my consent. Can you imagine? A friend that I invited to a party and Nancy went behind me to snatch him away from me.
Wait, I don't get it. What is their relationship?
I don't know and I don't care to know. All I know is that I love Michael and no one will stop me from loving him. Michael is my guy. I love him so much and I'm not ready to lose him to any idiot, not even Nancy.
Must it always be about Nancy all the time? Oh, come on, what is wrong with this girl? Look, just calm down, okay? Calm down. Michael is yours and no one is going to take him away from you. No one.
Why don't you tell her that? Because not even Our Lady Spiritual can make me to give up on Michael. I want him and I must have him all to myself. I have tolerated enough nonsense.
Calm down, babe. Calm down. Michael is yours and you must have him all to yourself. Just chill, okay?
Do we have here?
Sister, good afternoon.
Wow, good afternoon. Someone remembered to call me today. Aren't I lucky? Well, guess what? I will have to go for Thanksgiving for you remembering me at all.
Don't mention. But I do call you now. What about you? Do you still remember us? Ichifu guy.
Well, it's not my fault. You guys are the problem. Do you know why I don't come back home? Do you know?
I'm sure you know the reason.
Do you know what? I have missed you so much. Why don't you come around one of these days? Yes, you can come over, you know.
Sister, are you trying to tell me that very soon I will have a brother-in-law? Eh, where?
Don't even start. Don't start.
Who is this lucky guy? Bamukuneze.
Just get off my phone, please. Okay, fine. I've heard you. I've heard you. Okay, bye.
Eh. Okay, I'm going bye.
You never change.
Sister, you will never change.
Please, sorry, waiter, please, can I have...
Hey. Look at you. I'm sorry. Come on now. Don't be like that. I'm sorry. Sorry. Traffic. You know this town.
You kept me waiting.
I know, and I'm sorry. Have you been here for so long?
Well, for some time.
You look gorgeous as always. Huh? I like the hair.
Thank you.
Yeah, you were calling the waiter, right?
Yes.
Waiter? Please, eh? Good to see you again.
Me too. So,
I'm just all smiles looking at you. You know how I get when I'm with you.
Nah. Get your phone and call your sister for me. Let me know if she is fine. I keep having these dreams. I don't know.
Mama, these dreams do not end. Is it the same dream again?
My dear, the dreams about Elizabeth shows that something is not right. So please call her. So that we can go and see the pastor. Biko.
Mama, me, I doubt she's going to come. She's always giving excuses about her job. She's not having time to...
Get your phone and call her for me.
I could help you get that out if you let me.
Thank you. Thank you.
You know that happened because you were not here. You were thinking of something.
Mm?
Yeah, you drifted off. What were you thinking about?
Well, I wasn't thinking of anything.
Are you sure?
Yep. I should be asking you, what were you thinking of? Because I caught you staring at me.
You really want to know? I was thinking about you.
Me?
Yes.
Why?
How you glow when you smile. Really, every time you smile, you glow, and I really do not think that you should allow room for anything to take your smile away. How stunningly beautiful you are. You don't have to blush now, really. You know, honestly, I think that life is for the living, and I think that you should give yourself every reason to smile every day. I could be your source of joy if you let me. Because really, I'd like to be in your life. Nancy, you're stunningly beautiful. You're a head turner.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So there you have it. Now you know what I was thinking of.
Yeah. But this tastes actually nice.
I know I insisted on this flavor. You were a bit skeptical, but hey, you're liking it.
This nice.
So it's true you want to marry Nancy?
Yeah. I said that to you already. Why would you think that I would joke with a thing like that?
You must be a joker. I advise you to put a stop to that your plans.
Why?
You need to cancel that marriage plans. You don't even know anything about Nancy. But if you want to go ahead, try it. Let's see.